Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update. I've been actually trying to learn about the monthly time frame and what potentially the monthly is trying to offer us. And we do have a very big pending target down all the way here, and I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but it's a technical target, it's a technical journey. And I'm just gonna go back into the weekly time frame here, and you do have a new week opened up on Monday, so you do have 6 days 12 hours to close the candle. Now I do believe that we've had a pretty big red candles, and it's time for Jasmy to try to come back up to this trend line and retest the trend line, which you have one touch, second touch right there, a bearish closing, lost the trend line, and it's time to probably come make another touch, get rejected, go all the way down to 2500, which is the price technical target out of this double top, which hasn't been met. So first top, second top, come here, make an M, break down, retest, and then move all the way to the downside, and then potentially even try to fall all the way, crash down completely due to this bearish rectangle right over there. And that would be incredible, man. That would be one of my best analyses that I've ever done on this channel if we do end up meeting that technical target. Now we do have this little bit of pattern going on, and I've talked about the oversold level for Jasmy as well. So if you look at Jasmy right now, the prices are moving down like this, the RSI is moving to the upside. So yeah, we might be looking at a move back up here for Jasmy potentially. So let's see how much we're talking about. So we could be potentially talking about a move up for 16% to the upside. But let me tell you one thing. The problem is I'm not very sure that this is going to happen, because when you still have a target down there, it's all a guessing game. Okay, it's all just a guessing game that yeah, this might happen, because you might get a little bit of a pump back up to this line which was support and turn it into resistance. That's the only logical explanation of pumping back up. But does it actually mean it's going to happen like that? There's no any other reason, so it's not a very strong opinion. It's a very weak opinion and a very low probability statement that this is going to happen, because again, you do have a technical target to 2500. So this, can it pump? It's only due to grabbing liquidity, nothing else. But it's not a very guaranteed one, because you can still end up just crashing all the way down instead, and turn around and say, oh okay, people are buying here, people are buying and buying and buying, and the market just starts to flip all over to take the stop losses here and then come all the way crashing down to 2500 to grab even more liquidity. So it really depends. A lot of altcoins I do see just started breaking down, and they have the technical targets. Some of them still have 30% more to go down to. So that's it for this Jasmy. I would even say that maybe this is a good zone for buying, accumulating 2400, and potentially the main target, which is at 1500 as well. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.